Hi guys, welcome to another video. I know it's been a while. I have been very busy creating a few different websites and that, and other doing other things, as well as watching the football, guys. The Euros didn't end well for England, but we got to the final. But anyway, this is my channel. This is Make Money with Video, and in today's video, I'm going to show you the latest updates from Create Studio. Now, I use Create Studio for my business. I create videos that sell to different clients, but I also, on this video now, have recently started looking at the KDP, which is Kindle Direct Publishing, where I create books and I upload them to Amazon. So you can check out these videos here. I'll give you some Q4 ideas. These are some more videos of Create Studio, but I'm going to show you the latest update, guys. Now, if you come across to Create Studio, I'm just going to quickly show you the price. Now, it is quite a bit. It is a little bit expensive. It's $99 for the main package, but if you go through the link in my description, you can get it for, I think it's $67. That's lifetime access, so you're saving like $33. But the purpose of this video is the update. It's the updates, what they do every month, guys. They give you lots of different stuff every single month. It's called the All Access Pass. Now here it says $299 a year, but I think it works out like something like, you can pay it monthly. I know I pay it monthly, and it comes to something like $33 a month. You might think that's expensive, but let's just have a look at some of the stuff you get with it, guys. Yeah, so let's have a look. This month's all about the Olympics. And the great, anything you see on this screen, guys, you can use the software. So you've got my basketball players, you've got screenshots, you've got background, goal stoppers. So yeah, use any of this to create those videos. Something like that. Yeah, it's every month we do a different thing. This month is about the Olympics, and last month we were like cruise and jungle. Right, yeah, Christmas one. Good swap, guys. All these things quite good as well. We're not only getting these lyrics in the platform, yeah. Special effects like all those the icon platform, yeah. So that is it, guys. It's a short video, and if you want to check out last month's, I think that's the last month's, and then scroll down, you can have a look at other ones. Check out the video, guys. I create videos helping you to make money with video, and by far this is the greatest software you can get, guys. Create Studio. It might be a little bit expensive, so you can check it out by all means. The link is in the description. But if you're interested in KDP or any other kind of way to make money like affiliate marketing, please let me know, guys, because I'll make more videos about them as well. This is Make Money with Video, but like, you can make money with lots of different ways. So let us know, guys, and thanks very much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jay Roberts. Goodbye.